It's time to climb the stairs! Follow me, Mickey! Follow the stairs up off the floor. Bunny's gonna find a funhouse door. Adventures on the other side. Up those stairs, oh, way up high.
Here and there, up the stairs, climbing up to everywhere. Bunny knows just where to go. Up the stairs to anywhere. Here and there, up the stairs, climbing up to everywhere. Bunny knows just where to go. Up the stairs to anywhere.
Walmart partnered with top Roblox creators to introduce real-world shopping to Roblox. Players can purchase the real-world item directly in Roblox and get the virtual twin for free. Walmart discovered. Find your thing. Walmart partnered with top Roblox creators to introduce real-world shopping to Roblox.
I'm gonna chug, I'm gonna chew. I've got a delivery to do. Up hills, down hills, around each bend. Taking this cargo to the end. I'm gonna chug, I'm gonna chew. There's got to be a way for me to get in front of you. I'm gonna chug, I'm gonna chew. There's got to be a way for me to get in front of you. I'm gonna jug, I'm gonna chew. I'm almost up to you. Up hills, down hills, around each bend. Taking this cargo to the end. hills around each bend, taking this cargo to the end.
I'm gonna chug, I'm gonna chew. There's got to be a way for me to get in front of you.
I'm gonna chug, I'm gonna chew, I'm gonna catch up to you. I'm gonna chug, I'm gonna chew, I've got a promise coming through.
We're gonna chug, we're gonna chew, we're gonna help push you.
Open up! Game's up! Nobody move!
Oh no, we're too late. Look.
Find King Doom and the winning message hidden in an M&M's pack and win 100,000 pounds.
Look, now we'll have serious competition.
Hello, boys.
Go question the neighbors. I'll take care of her. Forget it, she knows nothing.
100,000 pounds. The search is on.
We're trainees, we're making tracks. Wheels to the rails, clappity-clap. Running on time, passengers to take. Falling late, you've got to make. Riding the rails, a train taxi crew. Honk your horn, choo-choo! Choo-choo! Chuggington. Chugga, 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 Chuggington. Chuggington. We're trainees, we're making tracks. Wheels to the rails, clappity-clap. Running on time, passengers to take. Falling late, you've got to make. Riding the rails, a train taxi crew. Honk your horn, choo-choo! Choo-choo! Chuggington. Chugga, 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 Chuggington. Chuggington. Chugga, 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 Chuggington. Chuggington. Clappity-clap.
Honking horns! What's happening? What am I going to do? Looks like I'm not capable of getting these cars to the quarry. I've got to get help. Coco, I can't make it up the hill with those cars on my own. Can you help me?
Of course I can. Oh, but I don't think you'll get your badge if I do.
I know, but that's all right. These cars are needed urgently, and I don't want to let Olwyn down.
Then let's roll. Chugga, chugga, choo-choo. This is hard, Brewster.
I know, but we're nearly there. We can do it. I know we can. Keep pushing.
Go, Coco. Go, Coco. Go, Coco. Hey, somebody's pushing me. It's me, Wilson. Train-tastic. Hooray! We did it! Yay, what a team effort!
Thanks, you two. You're the best friends a Chugger could have.
Welcome back, Mousetronaut! Watch your step!
Wonderful!
Yippee!
Come on, Donald. Time to go.
Hey, everybody, look at this.
Buttons and bows. The book. We're all on the cover now.
Our adventure building the moon base.
How Mousenauts kept trying and got the job done.
Hey, Cosmo's on there.
Well, he earned the badge for learning it's not nice to take things that don't belong to you.
And here's a little something to remember our trip. I guess it's time to head home.
Oh.
But don't worry, we'll be back soon. Right, honey? Right! And I can't wait! Us too!
See you
Next time! You know what that music means? Stretch break! Come on, get up and stretch with me! Stretch break! It's time to move now, don't you think? We're gonna shake everything but the kitchen sink. Do the wash, the window, do the shut the door. Do the fun house hop, do the sweep the floor. Stretch break! Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Stretch break! Get up to the fun house beat. Stretch break! Do some fun stretches, funny moves. Stretch break! And you can help us raise the roof. Stretch up high, stretch down low, pop back up on your tippy toes. You and me and Mickey Mouse, come on, go!